everyone, this is your friend X-UI and welcome back to another video. Which today, actually guys, I didn't actually make videos for quite a while because I was busy by homeworks, just studying my homework, but I'm not busy now, is it? I don't think so. So today guys, we are gonna make a thing is a little different because we are gonna discuss a game. It's called the fidget spinner. Yes, this is a fidget spinner, but there's a kind of normal ones. Normal ones has just like audio in here, but I have one who's lighting, and I will show you guys in my bathroom. My bathroom is dark. I will show you how it is lighting. So before I show you guys, this fidget toys are things that make your life happier. So the fidget toys is like some things. There's not fidget spinner only. No, there is a fidget cube, a fidget robe, and a fidget Ballora or anything. But here we are discussing the most common item in the whole world. Common fidget toy, and it is the fidget spinner. I buy this was $25 from souk.com. It's so amazing. Look at that. Oh my god, it's not a stop. That doesn't stop. So if you guys may bro with you guys, just do like this. Hey bro. So how do you spin it? Just put your index finger or your ring finger and just spin it. But the easier one is with the index finger. Like this. But it is faster with the other hand. You can just look at that! Wow! It does make your life more happy. So guys, I will make a video on how if this thing, the B-ring, go off. All go off. This B-ring go off. It all together is boom. Go. It's not together. The B-ring is not together. The parts of the B-ring is not together. Yes? Can I open the door, please? No, I'm making a video. Okay. Sorry guys, my sister's up. This B-ring I will make a video. Just comment in the description below, and the most video that you will post, I will get it. And yeah, also, if you if you want also video about how to make your fidget spinner faster, also the link in the description below. Not the link, comment in the description below. If you need the most comment, we'll get it eventually. So I think this B-rings, you can get it from the skateboard and the patinage, the skate shoe. Yeah, you can get it from those things. But this is much more happier. Oh my god. It's just making your life more happier, and it's not making my life more happier, it's making my life more crazier. Oh my god! It sounds well. You want to burst there? Hey there. What's up? Do you want to see my fidget toy or something? Wait. Yeah. So this is a very funny thing, and also can embrace games. Right. Who is that? I think a ghost is here. Oh my god. A ghost is here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, there goes in here. No, that was my sister running. Perfect. So guys, the comment in the description below. Please comment. If you want it, comment. Just comment for the fidget spinner, okay? I don't have any subscribers or something. Just comment, okay? So, today we are gonna try it with... Yeah. So, let's do this. So, we're gonna hold it from here. You know what? That's not amazing. Today, guys, we are gonna try it with the washer, the washer for us. So, I'll back you guys in a second. Okay, guys, we are here, and the thing that I'm gonna use, so it's gonna just make a little things on it. So let's do. Oh my God! Just look at it. Oh my God! Look at that. Now let's get done. Okay, I'll get you guys back in a sec. I'll go back to my room. Okay, guys, as you see, we have eventually bought it in the dash, in the washer of us. So it was a little fast. I don't thought that a water can spin this. Like, wow. Water can spin this. Look at that, my paper. I just taken a photo from my mobile and copy it. My mom is needing me. I will call you back and I'm back, guys. Back on my seat, of course, and now I'm doing my fidget toy. So shiny. So guys, if you want this, it's $25 in souk.com. I can't but just some descriptions or the links in the description below. I can't but it. So it's in souk.com. Just download souk.com. Just type fidget spinner lighting and it will come to you this one. Yeah. It will come to you a little different ones, but I choose this. Actually, I'm not the one who chooses, my dad. But it is so funny, like, oh my God. So funny. Just keeping grinding it the whole time. You can also stand it in your finger, like, see? Yeah, doing good. I feel like, yeah. I can stand it in my neck and my nose and my head. So let's try this out. Okay. Look at this, guys. Okay. Now in my nose. The nose is a little more. This my. No, that's not my dad's car, isn't it? Okay. Go. Yeah. Every time she gets in my eye. Okay. Yeah. I need to do. Yeah, finally. Now, on my head. I think like something has been fall down. But hey, it's okay. So, in the end of this video, don't forget to buy the fidget spinner, making your life more happier. Spin it all the time. Let's hear my voice on it. Oh my god, it's so amazing. I can't believe this. Like, it's a fan, and wow. Thank you guys. Thank you. I see it S, not TH. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, punch the like button in the face, like a buzz, and high five all around. Thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you guys do though. Don't forget, comment on the video if you want to spinner faster or if you want to put the B-ring together. Bye bye. Bye.